Hey friends, this is Atif over Val and welcome to the new update on KDA. Recently, KDA has broken out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that past several days it was moving inside this channel. We got two rejections here, then we had touch point here at the support, then we had the bounce here, rejection here, then we had two more touch points here, and several ejections by the resistance of the channel. And now finally we have broken out the resistance of this channel. By the way, this time this support will be very significant. This is almost the recent single point before the breakout from this channel that is here at 85 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 85 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here. And before that, it has been breaking at a very strong support here and support here. And again, it can break at a strong support for the price line of chilies. Now, if we switch back to the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have recently found a short-term resistance on that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.18. That has been previously breaking as there is a support zone here, a support zone here, and now for the past several days it is breaking out the resistance zone. And after breaking out this resistance zone, the next long-term resistance will be here at $1.40. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at the very massive breakout from a very huge falling wedge pattern on the on the 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Aave, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade signal. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of KDA. And this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this down channel. And despite it was forming lower highs and lower lows, I was telling you that it is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, eventually we can break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. You can see that we got a few rejections here, bounce here, and at the bounce here, rejection, bounce, and at the bounce, and few more rejection. And now we have broken out the resistance of the channel. And now we need to break out this short-term resistance zone that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.18. And you can see that for the past several days, it's working as a support and resistance zone. Here, it was working as a support zone. And now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that recently this $2 was working as a very strong resistance here. And before that was working as a resistance here in the month of March 2024 as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of KDA. And now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern, then you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge that I've been telling you even before the breakout was here at the top of the wedge at $2, and we have already hit that target. Got rejected by this resistance. And now, if we take a look at the massive breakout target, that is another falling wedge pattern that is broken out here on the 7 days time frame chart, this wedge. That target, long-term target, is here at the top of the bed. That is somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.